So I work for Carrier Sales. We're a distributor of business telecom services. Really, we're in the business of relationships. We work with company sizes that have 5 employees up to 500,000 employees, and they can be anywhere throughout the world. And so we're focused on bringing the highest level cloud, contact center, mobility solutions, connectivity, data center storage to those customers. So Carrier Sales, we're always looking to bring on and work with the best providers, and we actually work with a company called Carrier SME, who's a business platinum AVAYA partner of ours. They provide the phones and the hardware, and we work with them on helping their customers uncover new opportunities as it relates to cloud, data, voice services.
Carrier SME is an AVAYA Platinum Business Partner. We specialize in AVAYA IP Office solutions and implementation nationwide. The DuraFon SIP, tied with the AVAYA IP Office, provides our customers with extreme range, mobility, features, and durability that they demand. Connecting ingenious DuraFon long-range cordless phone to your AVAYA IP Office solution is a quick way to enhance productivity and mobility of your team, whether they are in the office or on premises. Connection to the IP Office is simple. It's done through the network. We would connect the Ethernet cable into the base. Programming the DuraFon SIP with the IP Office is very simple and easy. First of all, what we want to do is get into the base and program our IP address to get it on the network. Here's our status, LAN settings and IP addresses, of course. What we're interested in here is under our VoIP tab, we want to go to Basic and point this to our IP Office. And this at the top is the address of our IP Office. Most other settings in here are defaulted, so we don't need to make any changes here, but to make sure that these correspond in the settings in our IP Office. Count settings. Count settings are corresponding to what our phones are going to be, our phone extensions. And I've created a couple of phone extensions already in here. So as we hit Edit, we give it a name, a number. Again, these names, SIP numbers, authentication names, correspond to the settings that we have in the IP Office. Now we can start either way. We can either do the extensions first in IP Office, or we can do it here in the DuraFon GUI. I've already set these up. Let's go over to the IP Office. Very simple and easy to do as well. So we come over, we create a user, our new user, okay, extension information, okay. We're going to choose SIP extension. This is a SIP phone. Make sure that we have our license, our third-party IP endpoint in the IP Office. Click OK. I'll ignore this because we have plenty of licenses in our system. Don't forget your password. Again, the password that the phone is going to register to is in our supervisor settings. And then save your configuration. Okay, I've already saved this and it's live. So as you can see here, I've got my phone. We can do a test. So if I make a call here, I need to select the SIP line. As I dial. So we have connection now. Go ahead and hang up. And then vice versa, we can dial our extension. This is our second extension. Test 1 2. We can also test our short codes within the system. I've created a couple of short codes. One of them is for paging as a specific group. So I want to do a connection here. And my code that I created was *88 for this particular paging group. Test 1 2. This is paging. Test.
So I work for Carrier Sales. We're a distributor of business telecom services. Really, we're in the business of relationships. We work with company sizes that have 5 employees up to 500,000 employees, and they can be anywhere throughout the world. And so we're focused on bringing the highest level cloud, contact center, mobility solutions, connectivity,